Hello, my name is Eric Ryberg. I'm an attorney with Habish and Rotier in Madison. I'm a member of the litigation section of the State Bar, the litigation section board of the State Bar.
Good morning. My name is Ariella Schreiber. I am Vice President of Claims and General Counsel at Rural Mutual Insurance Company. I'm also a member and board member of the litigation section at the Wisconsin State Bar. So Eric and I have known each other for many years, and when I joined the board, I was glad to see that he also was on the board because we have practiced against each other for, I don't know, probably 10, 15 years?
Yeah, at least.
And one of the nice things about the board section is that you get the opportunity to meet other people who practice in your same area, but not necessarily in your geographic area, and communicate with them in ways that are not necessarily adversarial.
Absolutely, and the board consists of an even split of attorneys who practice on the defense side and the plaintiff side. So like Ariel said, you get to see people from different parts of the state and who are on the opposite side of the aisle, so to speak, which is a great way to establish connections with people and establish credibility with certain people. And when you see them on the opposite side of a case, they'll know you from your work on the section and with the State Bar. And it's just a great way to engender civility in the profession, I think. Would you agree?
Yeah, I agree. And I think the nice thing is that the board gives you an opportunity, particularly through the e-list, to get advice from people that you don't necessarily know, but who do know your area of practice and may know something about an area that you're asking about right away, rather than having to research it or having to go to another attorney in your firm. So it's a great resource for education and a good resource for identifying community within the litigation practice in the state of Wisconsin.
And we also have litigation section blogs that our members author or other folks will author and help board members to write an article. And those are timely articles about changes in the law, changes to the practice, those sorts of things.
Yeah, so I think the blog articles are great because they allow somebody who may have knowledge about a particular area to write a short blurb and let other people know that they know something about that. And then if there are opportunities from that may arise, you can do presentations sometimes. So I did a blog article about Agent E&O, and then I ended up doing a presentation on Agent E&O for CLE credits. So it kind of opens the door for people who are gaining an area of expertise to show that they have it and to springboard off of there for involvement in the Wisconsin State Bar.
Speaking of speaking opportunities, we're heavily involved in the annual meeting and conference, which is the big CLE seminar that the State Bar puts on every June. Our section is at the highest sponsorship level, and we are actively involved in actually putting on certain seminars within that seminar, certain presentations. We routinely will reach out to judges and experienced lawyers to put panels together, which are really well received at the conference. And that's another great benefit to being a member of the section, is being able to be involved with that, whether it's on a participation level or attending as a guest or as a member of the seminar. We're also looking at additional opportunities to offer seminars outside of the annual meeting and conference. So that's another perk of this section that would be available to section members.
I think particularly for younger attorneys, the section offers a lot of opportunity. For example, don't they offer a membership or a free membership or scholarship?
Yes, there's free membership for the first 2 years for newly practicing attorneys in Wisconsin. So that's a great perk for people coming out of law school or just starting the practice in Wisconsin. We also offer a diversity scholarship for any licensed attorney in Wisconsin. And we're involved with the law schools, with UW Law School and Marquette Law School. We always have a student liaison on our board, and we're engaged in networking opportunities both at Marquette and UW Law School to try to help bridge the gap between law school and starting in the profession.
Yeah, well, we hope that you want to join the litigation board after hearing from the two of us, or at least consider it. And for more information on it, you can go visit the Wisconsin State Bar website at wisbar.org/join. Thanks.
Thank you.